Alright, one thing I didn't mention in the last lecture about myself was if you take a look at my profile page here on Udemy, you can see that you can connect with me in various different places. I have a website called LearnArcViz, which kind of is supplemental to my Udemy courses here. And then I have a Twitter following where you can get the latest info on all my courses, discounts on my courses, that sort of things. And then YouTube gives supplemental videos to a lot of the stuff I show you here. So about this course, these are my 3 courses currently on Udemy. And you can see if you're interested in learning more about the 3D end of these images, then take one of these courses. There's my 3ds Max V-Ray, 3ds Max Pro in 6 hours, which is basically taking you through doing an exterior architectural image from beginning to end, and in the meantime showing you all the tips and tricks that you need for those 2 softwares to start building a portfolio. So it's kind of the best place to start. There's also this 3ds Max Furniture Masterclass, which goes into very detailed organic modeling of furniture, but it also just shows poly modeling tools in general and also shows Mudbox workflows in order to create really high detailed, high polygon objects for your scenes. And then I have a course which is Photoshop Painting Fundamentals, Paint Your First Portrait. And that class, if you need beginner introduction level stuff for Photoshop, this might be a good one for you to take because it is teaching you how to paint in Photoshop using a Wacom tablet, but it also gives you the fundamentals of Photoshop as you go. So it's kind of a fun way to learn fundamentals and also create your first portrait painting at the same time. So there you can learn the basic tools, how to use layers, masks, etc. In this course, it's a little more advanced than that, so I'm going to assume that you know how to do basic things in Photoshop. I'm not going to go over the basic UI again. I'm going to assume you know how to do that, and I'm just going to jump right into Photoshop and start showing you all my tips and techniques. And if you can't follow along with that, you might want to go back to this course here. And if you can't follow with any of the 3D stuff I'm doing, or if you just want to know more about it, then go to one of these classes, probably this one. In this course, I will assume some knowledge, and we're really going to dive in deep to some more advanced Photoshop stuff for architectural visualization.